Hi there, and welcome to Kids Afloat. Well, you've already seen Wayatinah Lagoon in our last video, but I wanted to put together a special little video for you that shows all of our sailing clips. It's a little bit longer, and there's not much of a storyline to it, except some jolly good fun in Pirate and Tipsy, our little mirror dinghies. So we set them up, got them off their trailers, and prepped them ready for a big weekend away. We were so excited, and you know what? Lake Wayatinah, it didn't let us down. We had such a good time dodging some beautiful underwater forests, sometimes a little bit hairy as well. It was a bit scary there and now, but we had a wonderful time charting and navigating and plotting our way through it. The kids learnt a lot. They learnt especially about how to pull a centreboard up when Mum yells at them, but that's another story. And we did some adventuring, finding the headwaters of the Derwent River. So whilst you may have seen a few of these clips, I hope you can enjoy all of the ones that you haven't. Kick back and relax and enjoy some dinghy cruising Tasmanian style.
What's Ben saying?
Wayatinah Lagoon used to be a forest before they flooded it for the hydroelectricity scheme. They flooded it and they left the forest standing, so there's still trees standing under there. Most of them have been ploughed over by the water, but there are still some. So we put the new GoPro down into the lagoon as we were sailing along, and we saw all these big trees on the footage replay. So we were able to see these dead forests that had been dead for almost 50 years. It was very eerie to see, actually.
Your rudder could go down a bit more. Mind your head. Whoa, we're gonna drive. Go, Bo.
Oh, Dad.
Mind your head again. Whoa.
Dad. Dad.
They're a bit close. It's alright, they're only small boats. Just keep your fingers out of the gunnels.
They're friends. They're giving each other a little hello kiss.
Actually, just going to hop like
Forward.
that. Now you'll be able to get that.
Ready about?
Sure.
There we go.
Oh my god.
Funny old wind down in this bit. Alright, I'm going to try and get cut so we can clear those submarine things over there. Ready? Ready about?
Yeah.
Clear. Oh no, collision course! You getting this on video?
Yeah. That was a very big dead tree that we just went under. That was like huge. That would have been about 2 meters. That stump would have been about 2 meters wide.
Alright, ready about?
Yeah.
Leo. gorgeous bush. A little bit funny with the wind, it's going to shift.
There you go. Big
No, around
log.
we come. Ow. Okay, so it's going to come across in a jibe. There we go. That's great. Now we're doing well. Oh, how lovely.
Yeah, you got it. Yeehaw. Is he still there?
So that just about completes all of our sailing footage from our great trip. We had a really nice time. Dinghy cruising has meant so much for us this year, and we really are just getting started with our season down here in Tasmania. So I'm looking forward to popping up a lot more videos for you all, showing you some of the beautiful country that we live in. It's pretty unique, and it's really quite an undisturbed wilderness in the main. So I hope you enjoyed this. I really enjoyed making it, and I think that we'd love to see you all down here if you want to come down when COVID lets us all travel again. So happy sailing, my friends. I wish you all fair weather, and we'll see you again next time.